Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to video number 2 on the channel. Today I'm excited to take a dive into People's United Bank, ticker symbol PBCT. People's United Bank is a subsidiary of People's United Financial Inc., a diversified financial services company with more than $60 billion in assets. Founded in 1842, People's United Bank is a premier community-based regional Northeast bank with more than 5,500 employees, offering commercial and retail banking as well as wealth management services. PBCT has a network of over 400 retail locations in Connecticut, New York, Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine, including over 148 convenient stop-and-shop branch locations in Connecticut and New York, offering full services and extended hour banking. Whether it be for personal or business needs, they take pride in the customers and their needs, which come first. They value ongoing relationships, not just one-time transactions that give them the opportunity to listen, learn, respond, anticipate, and solve problems in a collaborative manner. Their priority is showing respect for their customers and having that returned through their ongoing trust. Again, kind of just summing up their major points. In 2017, they celebrated 175 years as a company. They manage over $60 billion in assets. They have more than 6,500 employees. $3.8 million in community foundation grants in 2019, more than 32,000 volunteer hour contributed by employees to 10,000 community service activities, over 400 bank branches and 600 ATMs across the Northeast. So their statements for shareholders include making practical, forward-looking investments in technology, people, and products, along with strong organic and acquisition-based growth to build long-term customer and shareholder value. Well, so I think that sums it up for the company. Now, let's tune into the business side of things. So currently, the stock is trading at $14.70. PBCT has a PE ratio around 12.77. This is a solid ratio, and it shows this company is undervalued, especially compared to the S&P 500 average. Their dividend payout is at a solid 52% trailing 12-year, or 12 months for that matter. This is good because I know the company is putting a lot of money into their shareholders while also having a lot left over to reinvest back into their company. Furthermore, we see solid dividend of 5%. That's a pretty big dividend. You know, it's 5 is high, but it's also not high where you could raise concerns for dividend safety being at risk. So it's at a great spot. Also, this company isn't a dividend king like the previous video, but they are still a dividend aristocrat. This means that they have increased their dividend over 25 consecutive years. That is huge. Plus, they are one of the highest yielding dividend aristocrats as well. That's some great news. I do also want to add, the stock price was around $10 in November, and prior to that, but now it's almost up 50%. If you were able to invest back then you were probably on good track. However, I would say it's still a good time to invest in the company, as it's still undervalued and still has a lot of room to grow. Overall, I really like this company. It's a company that has increased its dividends over 50 years and still pays a solid dividend. This company is a safe investment and can be a great long-term stock. This is a stock that doesn't cost that much, so it might be a good play to reinvest some of your dividends back into this company if, let's say, you have a smaller portfolio. I think this is a stock that not too many people talk about and invest in, and I think it is very underrated for that matter. But let me know what you guys think. Do you have shares in PBCT, or do you think you will have them in the future? What are your plans? So with that said, thank you guys all for tuning into the video, and hope to catch you on the next one. Thanks.